Descendre.
means to get down. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to get down in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the future stem and the future ending, which we have already learned in our earlier video. To refresh your knowledge, here is the table of future ending that we have learned. To get the future stem, when the verb ends with re, you will need to make a small change to the infinitive before you can use it as the future verb stem. The rule is, simply drop the e from the end of the base form of the verb. Now, we have subject pronoun, future stem, and future ending. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense. I will get down.
Je descendrai.
You will get down, informal way.
Tu descendras.
He will get down, masculine.
Il descendra.
She will get down, feminine.
Elle descendra.
We will get down, formal way.
Nous descendrons.
You will get down, formal way.
Vous descendrez.
They will get down, group of males or mixed people.
Ils descendront.
They will get down, group of only females.
Elles descendront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples. I will go down the stairs to go out.
Je descendrai les escaliers pour sortir. Je descendrai les escaliers pour sortir.
You will get off the train at the next station.
Tu descendras du train à la prochaine station. Tu descendras du train à la prochaine station.
He will take out the trash tonight.
Il descendra les poubelles ce soir. Il descendra les poubelles ce soir.
She will bring down the suitcases from upstairs.
Elle descendra les valises de l'étage. Elle descendra les valises de l'étage.
We will come down from the mountain before nightfall.
Nous descendrons de la montagne avant la nuit. Nous descendrons de la montagne avant la nuit.
You will get off the bus at the next stop.
Vous descendrez du bus à l'arrêt suivant. Vous descendrez du bus à l'arrêt suivant.
They will get off the train at the main station.
Ils descendront du train à la gare principale. Ils descendront du train à la gare principale.
They will come down from the balcony to join the party.
Elles descendront du balcon pour rejoindre la fête. Elles descendront du balcon pour rejoindre la fête.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je descendrai. Tu descendras. Il descendra. Elle descendra. Nous descendrons. Vous descendrez. Ils descendront. Elles descendront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.